one of our puppies. We call him Bear because he was getting really chubby. He's one of the big ones. We were looking down on him and you could see how his thigh muscles and his fat tummy and his shoulder muscles sticking out, and he looked like he was a little bear. So we just started calling him Bear. He's 6.5 weeks old now. And he's probably the second biggest puppy of the litter. And he's the only one that's not spoken for yet. So, but yeah, all the other ones we had them sold like in one day. And there's some people still waiting for us to call back, so we'll find a good home for him, no problem. But he's not spoken for right now. And if we were going to keep one, I would be just happy to keep him because he's, I think in the face, he's picture perfect. His face, I mean, and he's got a good personality. He's pretty awesome. We love him. We love all of them. We only have them for just maybe 2-3 more days. They're going to be gone. So it's a roller coaster ride though. It's a ton of work cleaning up after them. Pretty much you got to check them every 10-15 minutes of the day to control the mess that they make and all the poop and pee. But then every night we get to sit and play with them and hold them. Come here, buddy. Do what you do.